Have you ever thought why people don't become what they want to become? All of us want to become something or the other, but when asked specifically at times, they will say, I don't know. This happens because we have not given the thought that what we want to become, or we don't have that strong desire of what or who we want to become. This usually happens since our childhood. Whenever we wish to do certain things in our childhood, we were many a times told, don't touch that, don't do that, you will spoil it, you will break it, you don't need to do that. Why did not you hear me? Oh, these were all the expressions that we've come up with. And so somewhere it has gone into our minds that what I want to do would not be accepted by the others. That is the reason we stopped thinking. We stopped believing in ourselves and our capabilities that we could do something. So what do you think would be the consequences? Consequences are, we don't do what we wish to do. We stop limiting our thinking. We have stopped discussing what we want to become with anyone. In fact, we've also stopped taking that step ahead that yes, this is what I want to do. Because at the end of it, it all comes that what will people think about me? Are they ready to accept me the way I am? So what is it like to have your own thing? We become to this situation because we have not given importance to ourselves. We do not specify what we want to do, what we wish to acquire in our lives, what we wish to reach, where we wish to reach in our lives. We are all waiting for that approval of the other person, that only if they say, I would be able to do certain things. But we need to understand, this is not the way we will reach our destination ever. We take a train from Mumbai to Delhi, but if I don't know that Delhi is my last destination or whether I want to go to Delhi, the train will take me anywhere around and finally I would reach nowhere. This is what happens to us also. We need to know where we wish to go from where we are today, and only if that happens, we will reach our destination. So small exercise that we all can do for ourselves is to let ourselves know what we want in our life. Just write 20 things probably that you would have wished for you to. That this is what I want in my life. I want to travel to Switzerland. I want to have my own classes. I want to have that banana pudding cake. Whenever somebody asks, what do you want? Be specific whether you want it or you don't want it. The moment you start saying no, you would see a change happening, because now you know what you want, and that's how you would also tell others what are you wanting. They will stop asking you for the things that you don't like it. But the moment we start saying yes to everything, we are taken for granted. Even people might just stop asking us sometimes, what do you want? This is what you really want? Don't you want that people should know who you are? Don't you want to reach that place or that wish to acquire those things in life that you wish and desire for yourself? We want to live us for ourselves, not for others. The day you decide that this is me, this is what I'm going to ask people, this is the way I'm going to tell my needs to people, you will see a change happening around you. Do you relate to this? Does this sound familiar at any point of time when you have said no to certain things and now you feel, oh, I wish I would have said a yes that time? Write your comments in the box below and let me know where are you today and where you want to reach. Thank you.